Our email and collaboration security products are part of the Trend Micro Smart Protection Suite, a multi-layer endpoint security solution that protects your users and their data from today's increasingly complex threat landscape. Trend Micro email and collaboration security products provide superior protection against phishing, malware, spam, and targeted attacks. We have products for cloud, virtual, or physical server deployments, as well as specific products for Microsoft Exchange, SharePoint, and Lync and IBM Domino, and also hosted mailboxes like Office 365 and Gmail. Just like the rest of the components of the Smart Protection Suites, you have the central visibility of threats detected by our email and collaboration products within Control Manager. As you can see here in the Users with Threats dashboard, this user has many threats being detected. If we drill into what is happening with this user on the user-centric threat timeline, we can see that they have been the target of many threats that have been detected by other components of the Smart Protection Suites, including endpoint and web security. Having this holistic view highlights that the threat our email security products detected is more than just an isolated threat and is part of a broader attack. The admin also has the capability to view details of each threat for further analysis. Incoming emails can contain malicious files or URLs. Trend Micro email security products go beyond traditional antivirus products and also scan PDF and Office documents for hidden malware or potential exploits. Here, the admin is trying to set up a policy to block malicious attachments in a few clicks. Integrated in our hosted email security, the Advanced Threat Scan Engine detects document exploits and advanced malware. If the Advanced Analysis option is chosen, the suspicious file detected by the Advanced Threat Scan Engine will be sent to a cloud sandbox for further analysis. Hosted email security guards against targeted attacks and only requires a few clicks in the console to enable these advanced features, and there's no extra charge on those features. The admin can then decide the policy action. Here, the admin chooses to block the malicious attachment and send the recipients a notification. Now the policy is set up in just a few minutes. Here we see an employee received an email that contained a malicious attachment. The attachment was removed before damage could occur. A second email was received showing a notification about the blocked attachment. Trend Micro has consistently been scored #1 in spam effectiveness by Opus One. Spam policy can be set up easily in the console, and the aggressiveness level can be selected. Administrators can also choose to add a marketing message or Graymail to quarantine. Graymail is legitimate bulk email, such as marketing newsletters, which may be unwanted by users. Here, the admin is setting up a policy to quarantine spam, phishing, and marketing emails. To minimize administration time, users manage their own spam quarantine in a dedicated end-user quarantine website. Here we see an employee is checking and deleting his quarantine emails in an easy-to-use web interface. Trend Micro Integrated Data Loss Prevention minimizes the complexity and cost of data security and compliance by integrating DLP functionality directly into your existing Trend Micro email, collaboration, endpoint, or web security layers. You can use the built-in templates in Control Manager to easily create policies to find data, such as credit card numbers. The action of the policy can be set to log and report, block, quarantine, or send the email encrypted. Here, a user sends an email and attaches a file containing credit card numbers. The email gateway finds the data and securely blocks the email. Email frequently contains sensitive data that requires secure transmission to meet confidentiality and privacy requirements. Our email encryption is policy-based encryption that encrypts data using content filtering rules. Here, the admin is setting up an encryption policy for all outgoing social security numbers. Here, a user sends an email containing social security numbers in the email body. The email gateway finds the email and securely encrypts it. Recipients of the encrypted email receive an email notification in the form of an electronic sealed envelope. They can download their own copy of the encryption client or simply use their web browser to read and reply without the need to install any software. Here, this user is using the web browser and going through a quick one-time registration process. The email can be viewed securely after registration. This easy-to-set-up, easy-to-use email encryption product is included in our hosted email security with no extra cost. Microsoft SharePoint for collaboration and document management and Lync servers for instant messaging also need protection, with more companies using these tools to engage partners and customers' organizations. You don't control the security of your partners, so you want to make sure files are scanned for malware. You also want to ensure sensitive data is not inappropriately shared. Here, a user selects a file with a virus to upload to SharePoint. Trend Micro blocks the upload and warns the user of the virus. As customers move to email and file-sharing devices like Microsoft Office 365, they continue to need protection against advanced threats. Trend Micro Cloud App Security enhances the security of Office 365 Email, OneDrive for Business, and SharePoint Online, and will soon integrate with Box, Dropbox, and other cloud services. Here, a mobile user shares a file with his team from his personal email account using OneDrive in Office 365. The user doesn't realize the Word document has malware hidden inside. Cloud App Security intercepts the file and uses document exploit detection and sandbox malware analysis to find and block the threat. Beyond these malware detection techniques, our email products also integrate with Trend Micro's network, breach detection, and sandboxing technology, so that if a file is suspicious, it can be detonated in a sandbox to determine if it is in fact malicious. If it is found to be malicious, both local and global threat intelligence are updated, so that not only the email products will block the threat the next time it's detected, but so will the other layers of security within the Smart Protection suites. Here we see the new real-time signature from the sandbox was distributed to the endpoint security component of the Smart Protection suites, so it can scan endpoints for this malware. The Connected Threat Defense ensures the best security posture by ensuring that all components of the solution are able to share threat intelligence. Now that you've learned about Trend Micro's email and collaboration security solution, why not find out about other important layers of security for protecting your users and their information, all of which are available in a single comprehensive package with centralized management and visibility in the Trend Micro Smart Protection suites.